What is happening, guys? Today's a really terrible day in LA. It's raining finally. It's that season. I'm Alejandro, and let's talk about cars, yo. Now hit it, Pedro. In today's episode of Let's Talk About Cars, yo, I want to talk to you guys about the plans for 2018. 2017 was such a great year. Even though it had a lot of lows.
This is embarrassing. Let's edit this out, huh?
The highs were so much higher than the lows, so I'll always take that as a victory. I spent all 2017 laying a foundation and the groundwork for all of my businesses that range from digital, clothing, logistics, Puku Pals, I mean, you name it, we have it, watches, anything we're doing, and it's been great. Laying that foundation was a very important thing to me because I wanted to ensure success for 2018, and I think it worked out pretty damn well. In fact, it worked out so well that in 2018, we're gonna get a couple new toys, and this is why I'm making this video. So, one thing I want to leave you before I start jumping into the cars is always invest in yourselves, guys, first. If you haven't done that, if you have some money and you got money laying around and you're like, what should I do with this for some reason? Or you've been saving money for a long time, whatever that is, invest it in yourself. If you're gonna lose money one way or another, whether you're giving it to someone else or yourself, there's nothing more rewarding than doing it by learning a big lesson for yourself, and you can be better for the future. That's what's been helping me so much from the past until today. So now that I laid the groundwork and the foundation for my businesses in 2017, 2018 is about to pop up and we're gonna kill it this year. 2018 has a lot of great things coming up and also a lot of rewards from all the hard work that we've been putting into this. So all of those rewards are obviously cars, and the first one's gonna be, remember that I told you guys that every single joke that we make becomes reality? It's kind of like that. We were joking around about creating our own car and doing a special edition car and all of that, and believe it or not, we're very close to closing on a deal where we're gonna be able to create our own car, a special edition of a very successful, already for sale car. And I can't wait to show you guys my spin on that car because it's gonna be I'm so excited I could cry right now because that's legit a dream come true. Think about it from any point of view. I'm just the guy that started making videos on cars because I thought I wanted to retire and not do anything else and just enjoy my life, and I love cars, and now I get to work hand in hand with people that allow me to do this. I just never thought I would be able to do that. So the second that's done, and I'm actually talking details today and tomorrow just to finalize everything with the people I'm working with, I can't wait to announce that. So that's one. That's the easy one. The second one is I'm finally getting into that Chiron territory. And no, I'm not gonna buy a brand new Chiron and spend the $4 million, which is how much they cost, these Bugattis, to purchase up front. I don't have money to waste like that. So I'd rather spend it smartly. So I'd rather wait a year and have depreciation help me a little bit with those cars and then buy one like that. But before that, before I buy a Chiron, I have an itch, a really bad itch for a McLaren Senna. I really want that car. I love what McLaren did with the car. I love that they don't care how it looks, even though to me, I think it looks gorgeous. And the fact that it's got all those holes everywhere, it just gets my aero boner going. So I adore the idea of that car. I love that McLaren keeps pushing the envelope, and especially with a car like that. something that we've never seen any other company take a stab at. So I adore that idea. Ideally, I'd love to have the Senna before the Chiron, so I can have the Senna for at least a year if I'm gonna have it, because I'm obviously gonna buy it secondhand. McLaren won't sell me one. Have it for a year and then sell it after a year and buy myself the Chiron. That would be my ideal goal. Things don't always happen the way you plan them, but I'm just letting you know, guys, those are my intentions, and at least you're gonna see one of these cars before a year goes by from right now. So either a Senna or a Chiron. It's time, baby, it's time. And obviously I'm getting my GT2 RS from Porsche, which I'm really excited about. And the rumor is I might be able to get PTS on the car, which means they'll allow me to paint the car in whatever color I want. How is that a big deal? Some people will ask, oh, you're buying cars and they don't even let you paint them in whatever color you want. Well, it's a little bit more complicated than that with Porsche. But if you guys don't understand for how long I've been waiting for this, you don't understand how big of a deal it is for me to get that car the right way. And obviously the right color means it's gonna be interesting. And I cannot wait to get that. So those are the 3 cars that I'm really excited about. Hopefully I'll be able to get the 3 of them within the year. If not, I'll be able to get at least 2 for sure. And that'll be really exciting. And also, guys, what are other cars to look at? Please let me know in the comments down below, because I don't want to miss out on anything. A lot of times I just get tunnel vision and I just go towards one direction without realizing that there are many other options. So last year was a great year. This year should be even better. A lot more work. It's gonna be harder. That's for goddamn sure. Nothing comes easy. But I'm so excited for what's coming. I cannot wait to share with you guys, and I cannot wait to share with you the new car that I was just telling you first. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you with that. My name is Alejandro. Thank you so very much for watching. And no, in 2018, I still do not approve these messages. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.